Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechOver. Today in this video I'm here with a good offer of Spotify Premium membership. You can see we have to subscribe to Spotify Premium membership and we will not pay anything for the first month, and it's going to charge our 1 month payment on the second month. So it's a very good offer I got now here on Spotify. I'm just going to subscribe on it. So how you can just subscribe, you just have to create a new account, or you're gonna sign up with your Gmail account. I don't have a Spotify account. I'm just gonna create it. So let me type here my email address first of all, and now I'm just gonna create my password. So once I tap my password over here on this box, we will go on the next step. Just going to type your name, your date and birth, then you're gonna fill these two boxes, and after that you're gonna tap on continue, and here you can see it's just going to ask us the credit card information. So insert the valid credit card numbers over here to be charged on next month. So let me fill this box, then I'm going to just show you once I done the subscription. So let's go ahead to do this. So I'm just going to pay the payment. It's just going to charge $0 for the first month, and you can see you're all set to premium membership. So we're just going to open the Spotify and I can start listening to music here on my phone, and this is very cool. Don't miss out, just go subscribe to Spotify premium membership. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.